Hey, what's up guys? This is Nilanjan. Happy New Year guys. Yes, 2020 is finally over and we have entered 2021. In fact, today is the 1st of Jan. It's a Friday. It's 7:51 on the clock and I'm here in this beautiful place. Yes, I'm in the beautiful place, beautiful hill station of Chhatakpur, just a little north of Sonada and Siliguri. And guys, check out. Woo, let me just soak it in, right? And I'm gonna show it to you in 3, 2, 1. Check it out, guys. Whoa, that is as epic as you can get on day one in 2021, right? But if you thought that was epic, wait till you see the real star of the show. Not me, that's him or her, I don't know, but it's beautiful guys. Check out Mount Kanchenjunga. Amazing. So this is where we are staying actually. The homestay's name is Kanchan View and it's very fitting because that's Kanchenjunga right there. In fact, although we went up till the viewpoint, we saw Kanchenjunga straight right outside our bedroom. We just had to open the door and it was there. And we saw the most epic sunrise today where the mountain, the snow-clad mountain was pink, you know, the early hours of dawn, the light falling on the snow. It was epic. And you guys can see here, this is just right outside our bedroom. This was the room in which we were staying, and this was where we got the first glimpse of Kanchenjunga snow-clad mountains today morning. I think at around 5:30 or probably 6. It was a bit cloudy, but then the sun sort of started coming through. That's east. Hello. That's north, right? And the moon was up there. It isn't there right now, but it was epic. You could see the moon. You could see the pink covered snow mountains, and then you had the sun here as well. Well, unfortunately, the GoPro might be a great instrument to record videos. But when it comes to zooming in, let's not even go there. So guys, I thought why not give you a quick room tour. I'm just going to show you one of the rooms that we were in last night. This is it. Right, so this is a room. You have a double bed. My sister and mom were staying here. We got a flask with hot water. We also got additional water bottles from this place. Tea, coffee comes in whenever you need it. So we have all of the other stuff like masks, tissue papers, medicines, altitude sickness medicines, muscle relief pain stuff, sanitizers, etc. was something that we got. You also have this small little table here to keep your stuff, and you have these this thing to sort of hang your clothes. Let me show you what the washroom looks like. So this is the washroom, right? You've got a Western style commode. You have a basin, mirrors. Most importantly, you have a geyser that's fully functional. I'm heading to the main place next to the kitchen of our homestay for some breakfast. Really hungry after the light trek in the morning. But just look at it, guys. Man, I just can't get enough of this view, seriously. And this is the place where we are staying. Lovely. Okay. So this is the dining area. We have the kitchen over there. Today we have puris. And what is this?
Chole.
Chole.
Is it?
An omelette. Yes. So while my mom puts up the plate, I just want to soak in a bit of sunlight because it is pretty cold. Yesterday night, there was a point of time in which the temperature was as low as I think -2. One big sort of a drawback is that there's absolutely no cell reception here. No Wi-Fi. I mean, you can't really expect that. This is the Himalayas after all. But it was a disadvantage because we were not able to see what the temperature was on our mobile phones. But apart from that, great place. It feels really good to not have your phone buzzing all the time. Messages, work calls, work emails. God, if I can get away from all of that for a long time, I surely will. But I've got a chance to do that for a couple of days, and I'm gonna use it to the fullest, guys. All right, really hungry. Gonna go inside and eat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Baba. Happy birthday to you. So guys, we just celebrated my dad's birthday. I'll let him know that you guys also wished him. So please do like this video, subscribe to my channel for more content. Oh wow, look at this. GoPro, please do justice. If you can see, that is Kanchenjunga right there, completely snow-clad. But if you move slightly rightward, you will see snow-topped mountains. And those are coming into brilliant view right now as the sun is moving. So guys, the homestay we are staying here at is making excellent homemade food. So I thought, why not go inside and check out their kitchen. Also meet with the owner of this place. Hello.
Hello. Meet Kanchan ji.
यहाँ पे हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा खाना मिल रहा है, होममेड फूड जैसा. कल रात को हम लोग बहुत लेट से आए थे, फिर भी हमको बहुत गरम पकोड़े मिले थे चाय के साथ, और रात को चिकन खाया था.
आज चपाती बहुत अच्छा था.
हाँ, आज सुबह हम लोगों ने पूरी खाया और अभी पापा का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया तो केक खाएंगे. आप पूछ रहे थे कि चौटकपुर कैसा है. हमको तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, और आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है यार पे सबसे
हमको भी अच्छा. आप लोग आया, बहुत अच्छा लगा. आप लोग बहुत अच्छे गेस्ट थे.
हाँ, और आप यहाँ पे कितने सालों से रहते हैं?
हाँ, हमारा शादी हुआ 25 साल
पहले
से है.
अच्छा. तो यहाँ पे आप अपने हस्बैंड के साथ रहते हैं?
हस्बैंड है.
अच्छा.
हस्बैंड के साथ.
अच्छा. तो यहाँ पे आपके होम स्टे में कितने रूम्स है? 3 रूम है.
मेरा होमस्टे ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है, छोटा है. हमारा यूट्यूब, हमारा नेट में कोई नहीं है, नंबर कोई नहीं है. हमारा गेस्ट यहाँ डायरेक्ट आता है, उसको अच्छा लगता है तो हमारा नंबर लेके जाता है, फिर गेस्ट भेजता है.
नंबर बोलिए फिर.
आपका नंबर आप बोल दीजिए.
9932344621.
9932344621. कांचन व्यू
कांचन
होम स्टे।
कांचनजंगा भी किचन से भी दिख रहा है।
हाँ, किचन से भी कांचनजंगा दिखता है वहाँ पे, like I showed you previously. So it's a great place here, and I highly recommend that you come and stay over. These are the cottages here, and please come here and stay because she's just a wonderful human being, and this place is really great.
Today's menu is fish for us.
Oh, lunch में fish है? तो आप फिश सोनाडा मार्केट से लाए?
हाँ, सोनादा से, सब सोनादा से लेना पड़ता है, यहाँ कुछ नहीं मिलता है।
यहाँ पे आने वक्त जो रोड था वो उतना अच्छा नहीं है ना, क्योंकि वो फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट का है।
डिपार्टमेंट का है।
तो फिर आप लोग कैसे लाते हो? चल के जाते हो?
हाँ, पैदल चल के जाता है। हम लोग जाने सोनादा जाने में 1 घंटा 10 मिनट लगेगा। हम लोगों को तो आदत है जल्दी जल्दी चलने से।
हाँ।
आप लोगों को तो लगेगा 2 घंटा 2.5 घंटा तो लगेगा, गेस्ट लोग को तो लगेगा, लेकिन हम लोगों को तो आदत है।
यहाँ पे बाहर जंगल भी है,
हाँ।
तो यहाँ पे कोई ऐसे एनिमल आता है कुछ?
हाँ, एनिमल आता है।
मतलब कौन सा आता है?
टाइगर, डियर
आते हैं?
आता है, भालू वाले सब डियर सब आता है।
वाह।
आप लोगों को डर नहीं लगता टाइगर से?
हाँ,
चीता से?
डर तो लगता है, लेकिन वो भी देखकर, हमको देखकर भी वो भी
भी
भाग
डर
जाता
जाता
है,
है।
डरता है, हमको देखकर हम भी डरता है वो उसका देखकर।
It's when you come to the mountains, the hills, places like these, it's really when you start contemplating certain choices in life. Wouldn't it be so exciting to do this all the time? We shall see.